Hey guys, I got myself here the Tanggula X5 Smart Media Box. This is basically like an Android-based media player, which is really cool. As you can see here on the box, it comes with a quad-core ARM Cortex processor. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of flash memory for all your Android-based applications, so that's plenty of space. So you can see here the Tanggula X5 is really small. It like basically fits into your hand, and in the front it has a small screen that usually displays the time, and on the side here it has a microSD card slot and then 2 USB ports, for example to plug in USB sticks, and then on the back side it comes with a Gigabit Ethernet port, then an auxiliary port, of course, then also here HDMI, and then even an optical audio output, and then of course here the barrel connector for the power supply. And then let's see what's more in this little box here. Underneath we find a quick start guide for the Tanggula X5 as well as an Android TV user manual. So this one has a little bit more information. Then it comes with the HDMI cable. It's about 2 to 3 feet long. And then of course it has here the remote control. Actually this is a very basic control. I actually suggest to get one of those Bluetooth keyboards. Those are much more useful for this kind of application. And then here we have the power supply. Now the setup couldn't be easier. You just connect the Tanggula X5 with the HDMI cable to your TV and you're pretty much ready to go. And this is what you see when you first start it up. So it comes with a whole bunch of pre-installed applications and they're all ready to be used right out of the box. Now the really only setup we have to do is the internet configuration. And you either do this by using an Ethernet cable, which we plug into the back of the device, or we're going to connect over our Wi-Fi network. And in addition to Wi-Fi, the X5 also supports Bluetooth. So in case you want to use Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth speakers with this TV box, that's no problem to do. So these are really easy to connect to the X5 and use them instead of the audio from your TV. Now let me show you a couple of the pre-installed apps that come with the X5. So of course right in the center we have YouTube, and the app starts within seconds. It is ready to be used. Of course we have here the option to sign in with our user account if you wanted to. And then what else do we have here? The KDMC app. So this is like a local media player. So in case you have some movies or music on like a USB stick or your SD card, then you just plug those into the X5 and now you can play them here locally. Then we also have the AirScreen app, which allows us to project videos onto other devices. So these can be really useful. Then it comes with APK Pure, which we can use to download games and other applications and use those. There's actually a software update here ready, so I could do this right away. Then it also comes with the Amazon Prime Video. If you want to use that, if you have an account for that, you can log in there. And there's also like a dedicated apps page here that we can enter. Here you can see all the apps that are already pre-installed. So there's a lot of stuff here. Netflix, Miracast if you want to use that. And you basically can download any of the apps that are available on the Google Play Store. So all the apps that you know from your Android smartphone are available here as well. And now let me show you the best part of the Tanggula X5, and that is the Tanggula app. So and this one provides you with all kinds of live TV, movies, as well as TV series. So first when you enter this app, it's going to update the list of all the available movies and TV shows and the series that they have available on their servers. And within only a few seconds, we're going to see all of the shows and everything that they are offering at this moment. Now at the top of the screen, they have this master search where you can search over all of the categories of media that they provide. And when you don't really know what to watch and you just want to browse in, for example, you go here into the movies list, and on the left side of the screen you see here at this time they're already providing over 32,000 movies alone. So that's a lot of stuff to watch and to pick from. So that means with the X5 you're really actually going to find something to watch at all times. So let me go through the list here. We're going to scroll through what's available, and if you are interested in a certain title, then you just pick that and it gives you even more information about here the movies. We can see the length of the movie and the type of movie, when it was released, and even information about the actors as well. And if we're interested in first just watching the trailer, then we can do this here too. Now, since we are here talking about an Android device, this of course also comes with a regular web browser here, for example the Firefox browser. And so if we wanted to just browse the web, then we can do this with this device as well. And the only thing that you have to consider, the remote that comes with this TV box is very simple, so it's really kind of cumbersome to type in the web address or the search term that you are trying to put in. So I really suggest that you also get one of those Bluetooth mini keyboards. That will be much easier to use then. Okay, so this was here the quick introduction of the Tanggula X5 media box. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.